Now this is the wave of the future, people. You need to know how the boxes work, and from what I've seen recently, you do. But we're going to do this for fun. It's basically find the area of that square based on these two lengths on the side. That's going to give me a 6x to the fourth. That's going to give me a negative 9x to the third. This over here is going to be a 3x squared. And then this is a negative 12x. Down yonder here, times 1 is great because you're just basically writing these three things up top. Times 1 is this. Times 1 is that. Negative 3x squared. X times 1 is just a 1x. Put the 1 if you want to. You got a minus 4. Now the point of this offset darker box here is that we're going to put this lower left or the far right bottom box here. That's a negative 4. And you might say, well, I'd prefer to just drop it down. Well, then you're missing the benefit of this diagonal thing going on here. These guys are going to be like terms if we set it up this way. These like terms combine to give you a negative 11. And if it just naturally drops down here, you've got a negative 11x as your result. Now look at this. This is a 3x squared and a negative 3x squared. Well, I'm going to show you a couple things you can do. You can call that a 0x squared, and I'm going to do that because eventually we're going to need to understand that you have to keep a space there for an x squared. If you don't have an x squared, you need to leave it open. So one thing you can do is do a 0x squared or just leave it blank. But this thing here should go here. Okay, the combination there. That's a negative 7x to the third power. So that the last item, please don't try and add that to 1. That's not a 7. Okay, that's why these are shaded. These are outer stuff. I'm taking the inner stuff and I'm plopping it down here. So that last one doesn't add to anything. That's just a 6x to the fourth power. And the rest of them are done just like that.